There's the birds over here.
I'm fighting to lose the battle with these.
You may get that?
No.
Look at him. He wants to bite me. There you go.
Well, hey there.
Hey, how are you? Good. How are you?
I didn't know y'all was out here.
This is my girlfriend, Marilyn.
Oh, nice
Yeah, that's
to
my
meet you.
grandson,
her grandson.
Jasper.
All right. Well,
He
nice
wanted to see
meet
the
you.
birds again.
Okay, well, just don't put your finger in there.
I
I
won't.
had a grand
Yeah.
young'un here this weekend that went in there. at
Really?
the house, and it bit him.
Oh no.
I said, Johnny, I told y'all not to
Yeah,
put
don't put your
in there.
finger in there, whatever you do.
You got 3 of them, haven't you?
In here? Yeah. I wish you could get rid of them, but nobody wants to give them nothing. So I've
Yeah.
had them since 04.
I about to say, I got a pet bird. It's a parakeet,
Uh-huh.
and I've been wanting to get another one. But she won't buy me another one. Oh, there's a mouse. There's a mouse.
Is that a rat?
What kind is
Yeah.
it?
These birds, the one to the right over here is a Severe macaw.
There's.
These two over here is a
He's mad.
I ain't cockatiel.
Hey.
oh, they're bigger. I had a kill in there and it got gone. The door was shut. No place for a snake to get in there, and I don't know what happened.
There's a mouse right there.
I
Dadgummit.
thought a snake would have
Yeah.
got in there and got it.
But you don't know what kind of them are, do you?
She'll bite you now.
I ain't gonna let him.
Yeah, don't stick your finger in. She told you not to, baby.
I won't.
They
Shut-
go in their bird house.
Yeah. I know what they are, but I can't.
That's okay.
They are
can't
pretty
think of it.
birds.
Are they
are.
peacock
But
or not
see-
peacocks?
They've laid a few times. They're supposed to be male and female.
Oh, okay.
But either the male is no good or they're too old.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what's happened.
Oh, there's a mouse right there. Y'all see it?
Oh,
Oh, there's one right there.
Selena, what they are. She'll remember what they are. I can't remember right
Yeah.
now what they are.
Can I move this to get that mouse?
That red,
no, don't get that mouse. You don't need to
I
take
bet
that
you I can
mouse.
catch him.
No, that's okay.
they,
We'll wait on that.
Bet you'll come out, probably.
Yeah.
Caleb came out here yesterday with a BB gun and killed one.
Oh,
But
okay.
he didn't stay out here long enough.
Oh,
There's one
okay.
right there.
They just swarm when
You might scare him, baby. He was trying to get that mouse. Don't.
you're going to catch it.
Yeah.
Bite you.
Nah. I've been bitten by 'em before.
I've been scared to death. They're going to run up my
We
leg.
got-
I'm gonna get in
Let's
there.
come out.
We got a rat about 1.5 feet
Now look
long
at
in our
your
camper.
shoes.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, God. I gotta go get back in the creek again. Those are some
No.
pretty birds, though.
Well, thank you.
You have to take a hose pipe and wash them
Yeah.
off
Lot
before
for
you go
me,
in the
too.
house for that.
If you want them, I will give them to you.
Oh,
Yep,
Lord.
we want them. We want them.
Oh, Lord.
We want them. We'll go back home tonight and take them.
I ain't
put 'em
got
in
a cage big enough for
Yeah.
them. They got to
We
have a
do.
big cage. Oh,
We got a cage.
they
like
got
that
a
big.
big cage
All right,
one.
that's it.